Hello, Moneymakers. Did you know people are literally printing money by creating these types of motion graphics videos? This is a new niche, and it is very hard to create such graphics as it requires you to learn complex softwares like Adobe After Effects, etc. But there is very less competition as the barrier to entry is very hard, and most of the creators choose to work on easy niches only. However, I found a secret method to create such videos easily with the help of AI and Canva. Yes, that's right. In this video, I will teach you how to find ideas for motion graphics, how to create viral motion graphics with AI, and how to post them to get guaranteed results. First, let me show you some pages that are already working on this niche and making huge money from it. Take a look at this page. They have 1.3 million followers. And look at the engagement they are getting on each posts. There is a golden rule here. More engagement will lead to more and more exposure to new audience, and thus you will more and more followers. These pages are only working on Instagram. However, we can create such viral motion graphic videos, and we will post them on Instagram page, TikTok account, and on YouTube Shorts as well. This way, there is a very high possibility that one of pages on these platforms will blow up very soon. It's like creating one product and selling it on shops, malls, and online as well. So you will get customers from everywhere. Many times, if your work is good and people like it, your videos will be viral on multiple social media accounts, which will make you a lot of money. Along with this, you can also take orders to create videos for clients who have huge following, and trust me, they have good budgets for content making, and you can earn from there as well. All right, enough of talks. Let's get into the business now. Take a glass of nice vodka and settle down as I will teach you everything in detail. Step 1. Finding ideas. First, you need to get some ideas about trending motion graphics. And for this, you can use Pinterest as well as Instagram also. Open Pinterest and search for the motion graphic mindset quotes. And here you will find many videos and images related to your content. For example, if I want to create an animation about fire with the fire element. So here I type in fire quotes, and as a result, I will find a bunch of quotes that are related to fire. So Pinterest is a great platform to find the ideas, quotes, or anything you need. Alternatively, we can also use Instagram accounts and Google as well. So on Instagram, take a look at this page and take reference posts from here as well. There are many pages on Instagram who are following this method. You can follow all of them to get some ideas and references. All right, let's move forward. This is what we're going to make right now, so stay tuned with me till the end. The tool we are going to use to create this type of animation is Canva. Open Canva and choose the mobile video option from the dashboard. Then go to the color palette and choose black color from it. First, we're going to create this one. Before we add other animation, let's make watermark for our animation so that Noon can copy us. Just for the reference, I took the name Growth Mindset as I will be creating motivational graphics. You can choose the one of your choice. Now, all I'm going to do is go to the elements and search for the letter M and create logo on it. I like this one. Let's add this. Then click on text and choose any of this text and add your channel name. Like this. After that here, I am going to add another text box to add quotes. Here I will write aiming to be the best. From here you can select the fonts, color, and size. Try to choose simple fonts which suit this niche. Let's copy this. And here I'm going to replace best with better in this sentence. Now I'm going to change the color of the main keyword in my sentence, and this one is better. So I'm going to change the color of word better. For the ceiling here, I will add this thick line. Then copy the text box, and here I will write, you'll hit a ceiling. Now let's add balloons. For this, search balloon in the elements, then add any one from these options. But before that, duplicate this page. Then add the balloon and position it in the bottom of the page. After that, press on Animate button and select Custom Animation. Now drag the balloon towards this line. You can also set speed and also add animation if it is required. So this is how it will look. Set the duration up to 3 sec. It's up to your content. Now copy the balloon from the first page and paste it into the second. Remove the animation from the red balloon in the second page. Now for aiming to be better, I will choose this yellow one. And also add some glow effect behind this yellow balloon just like this one. This way it will shine and look better. Now adjust it and select both elements and make a group of it. So, we do not have to add animation into both of them manually. Alright, now position it in the bottom of the page and follow the same process. Click on Animation, choose Custom, and drag the balloon till the end of the page. To make your video more attractive, add sound effects into this. Type whoosh in the search bar and select the audio, and add this sound when the balloon hits the ceiling. After that, search for the twinkle sound and choose this one and add it to the second page. So this is how it will look. Alright, now let's create the second one. And to create this, I will select Instagram post size. But wait, if you are creating it for the Reels, Shorts, or TikTok video, then you can select that size accordingly. In this post, I'm going to show the difference between motivation and discipline. Go to the text box and choose one of the text. Pick that type of fonts which look clean and not have funky look. I'll go for this. Now here, I will write motivation versus discipline. You can also zoom in or zoom out from here. I will make these fonts in white color. After that, select other fonts and write motivation and set it here. Same way, add discipline below the motivation. Now I'm going to add fire. So all you need to do is go to the elements and search fire. Then click on these 3 lines and select the animated option. As a result, here you will find many options to choose from. This looks great. I'll go for this one. Now duplicate this and arrange it in a line. Reverse this and add it below the discipline. Then add week 1, week 2, or month 1, month 2, and arrange it like that. This looks great, but I think I wanted things to stand out a little bit more, so I am going to add gradients or something to the background to look more professional. Search for the gradient and add it into the page. Perfect, now download this and post it. You can also make this animation into mobile video format and post it on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or on TikTok page.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
Now let's create a third one. In the third one, I want to show the difference between distracted work and focused work. So let's find something related to this. Here, I found these neon waves, which is not messy and go with the same flow. So we can put this in the place of focused work. Now let's find the opposite of this one. I think this one is perfect for distracted work. Now set the one in the upper part and the other one in the lower part. You can also change the speed of the waves video to match both of them. Now add a text box and type your quote. At last, add the music, and it's ready to be uploaded. If you can, I would also suggest adding some voiceover from the 11 Labs to this motion graphics. If you want to create long reels, you can add 2, 3 motion graphics on one video and add voiceover accordingly. So by this way, use your creatively and start with your animation journey with Canva. You can start creating videos like these and keep posting them frequently. Once you gain some traction and build audience, you can hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to do the work for you. This way you can pay something to get the work done and keep the profits with you.
I work really hard to bring new niches and ideas to make money online for you. Before I create any video, I personally test that niche and check if that is working or not, due to which we can't publish a lot of videos like other channel does. Even after putting in this much of hard work, more than 92% of our audience don't even subscribe to our channel, as you can see on our channel analytics. Therefore, I request you to please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel.